Here is my homemade fly trap. It's pretty simple. It's just a half-gallon juice bottle with a hole poked on each side. So they go in and they get trapped inside. It's pretty simple. You can load it up with whatever you want. Scraps of food, manure, anything you want. Pretty effective. I'm guessing about 15% or so actually go in and come back out. But they stay for the food and try to lay their eggs. So the way I have it set up, the wind's coming from my right through the bottle, so they can it spreads the scent further. Yeah, it's effective. You can refill it multiple times if it becomes ineffective. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Occasionally there's oh no, it fell down. There are maggots in there, as you can see. So it does help keep the population down. Just make sure you don't put it near your doorway, because it will attract lots of flies. So mine's about maybe 15 or 20 feet away from my door. So if you have any questions or comments, just leave them below, and have a nice day.